Wagwan massive.
You don't know it's your girl Whitney.
And it's your boy Jessie.
Welcome back to another video, guys. You don't know from the Siwi. I'll be a nice niece. Alright guys, so today's video, we noticed the title already. It's baby Kalena'S face reveal.
It is. I know y'all been waiting. Y'all been waiting. It's finally time.
Man, it's been like 2 whole months already. I can't even believe it. Like, it went by so fast. So fast, y'all. But yep, we're gonna do her face reveal today. We have a series of photos as well as videos.
Y'all already know we took a whole lot of footage, so we'll put a couple footages in here for you guys to see.
Yes, like her growth, you know, from when she was born all the way up to now. The only thing I'm pissed off about, guys, and I hope I'm able to get all the photos, my phone has been broken for like a week now, and I can't access anything. The screen is shattered. Like, I can't, it won't come on for me or anything. So I'm hoping if I hook it up to the computer, I'll be able to just get them like that. So pray for me. Fingers crossed.
We're gonna find out though.
Yeah, I'm hoping. I'm hoping, okay?
She finally got blessed, y'all, so it took us a minute, and we just wanted things to go right and get her blessed within, you know, so many months and stuff after her birth. So she's blessed, she's good, and now she can be revealed to you guys.
Yes. Are y'all ready? We gotta do a countdown.
Let's do a countdown then. Do a countdown, right?
We gotta do a countdown.
Alright.
Yeah.
5, 5,
4,
3,
2,
1.
Let's go!
Here are some of her photos and videos. Hey, stop that. Stop that crying.
mommy again? You gonna smile for mommy again, girl? Good. As ever. She is knocked out. Baby Kalena, wake up, mommy. Wake up. Wake up so everybody can see you. She fell asleep during the process of me getting her dress. And now she knocked out. She is knocked out, y'all. But this is our baby girl. Baby Brown, baby Kalena. Yeah, you hear us talking about you. Open your eyes, mommy. Yeah, you hear us talking about you, girl. She sends us talking about her.
You know she on camera too.
I'm gonna try to get a recording of her when her eyes are open. She is so sweet. Look at her. We just love her so much. Who y'all think she look like? Her daddy or her mama? Alright guys, so now that you've finally seen baby Kalena, drop a comment down below, you know what I'm saying, shout her out.
Who she look like? Who she look like, y'all? Does she look like me? Or does she look like mommy? So, daddy. What mommy? Who she look like? Who you look like? She knocked out right now, y'all.
Yeah, she's sleeping. She tired. She is so tired.
Yeah. I'm going to do a little circle of life, a little thing real quick. It's the circle of life. She's so bright. Her skin color is just, she's just bright right now. But
she like, ugh, I'm trying to sleep and y'all doing too much.
Little fast up. She gained a lot of weight, y'all. She gained a lot of weight.
Yeah, she did.
She came out, how many pounds?
5 pounds.
Yep, like 5'6" or something, 5'7". Yeah.
5'6", 5 pounds 6 ounces.
Yep, and now she got to be like 14, 15
Because
pounds.
when we went to her, was it 6 week? She was what, 10 pounds?
Yep. Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah, when we went to her 6 week appointment, she was 10 pounds. No, not 6 weeks. It was 5 weeks. 5 weeks. She was 10 pounds. I was so shocked. And she is exclusively breastfed. You know what I'm saying? She don't drink formula. It's just breast milk.
She definitely eat like me, I tell you that.
She eat a lot. She cluster feeds. Oh my God. But I love it.
Who she look like? Yeah.
They ain't gonna be able to tell now. She sleep.
She slumped, y'all.
She making them little weird noises.
She got that itis right now.
She in a milk coma. But guys, you guys are definitely going to be seeing her a lot more in the videos now that her face is revealed. You know what I'm saying? She is the new addition to our family, and we are loving her and loving every moment and experience that we have with her. Babe, she sleep. Give me my baby. You see how he be doing her?
Whip. Watch me, yang. Watch me.
She be sick of him, y'all. You should see the stank faces she give him. She be so fed up with him because he do too much. She just looking like this. She like. Yes, she give him some stank faces all the time. Like she be just upset, and then she look at me like, "Really, Ma? You gonna let him just do this?"
I'll pick her up,
and I'm like, "Look, I can't. That's your daddy. It's nothing I can do about that. I can't change it."
She said, "Why is he so happy, bro?" That's what she look like. Why is he so happy, bro?
She be pissed off. When she can't take it no more, she get to screaming. My little chunky monk. Chunky monk.
That will be the end of this video.
Yes, sir.
That's the end of this video, y'all. Our little blessing. So now the family gets to see her. You know, all you guys are, our virtual family.
Right. All the aunties and uncles out there.
Everybody want to see her, finally see her. So You gonna say like, subscribe, and share for me? Say like, subscribe, and share, and you'll have good luck for the rest of the year. Mwah, mwah.
Babe, hold her back. Alright, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button.
Yep.
Comment down below. Subscribe. And share.
Share.
Yep. We love y'all. Till next time.
Peace. Hi. You awake now? YouTube don't want to see you sleeping. They want to see you woke. Hey. 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 Wake up.
This is what he does to her, y'all. And she be so annoyed with him.
Wake up. Hey.
She be pissed off.
Hey. That's how she got numb to it. She got used to it now.
Yeah, that's because she in her deep sleep though.
She don't even care.
So she not paying you no attention. But wait till she wake up. She gonna be boxing. Bink, bink. Why are you scaring her?
She like, maybe if I keep my eyes closed, he won't see me. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up, mamas.